Hey guys, what's up? This is Yogesh with a new tutorial in SQL. So guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to use a where clause. Like where clause in SQL is a very useful for finding a particular data from the table or from the database. Like you can give any condition if you want, from greater than, less than, from is equal to, or not equal to. So basically I will show you how to use it and how you can implement on a real-time database environment. So basically I have choosing AdventureWorks 2014, the sample database which you can download from the Google. Like if you seen my previous videos, I can already tell you how to use a database, or maybe select the database or select the query. If you did not see this, please see my previous video and you can understand all the how you can make a table or and using a select and update status, update commands. So basically, first of all, I choose first I have use AdventureWorks 2014 database because I want to work on this database, and this is the basically all the tables which this database have, like from human resources, like person, from production to sales. So basically I have choose use AdventureWorks 2014. After that I will give select star from I want to choose from the human resource, like human resource dot I will choose from the employer. So I will choose from the employee, not from the departments, not from department history. I will choose for departments. I will choose from employee. Okay. After that when I choose, I can run it and I will execute, and I have find a table like the database table, like they have business entity, national ID number, login ID, birth date, marital status, gender, salaried, flag, and vacancy hours, sick, but anything which a company have for the employees, like employee data. So our main motive is to learn this tutorial is where clause. So for using where clause, you have to just choose, go down, choose where if you want to choose where, you can give any column name, like from this column name. Like if you want to give a business entity, first of all I will give business entity ID is equal to I can choose because every person had different IDs, so I will choose go for 9. Please give me the which on the 9. I will execute it. I find that 9 is that number, like ID number this, and this is basically this is a development engineer. So this is very useful if you want to give an and it like smaller than 9, so you can choose it and run it, and it will execute all the values which are lesser than 9. If you want to make greater than 9, you can simply make a greater than 9. After you can execute it. Okay, after, because all the entities are come from after 9. So this is basically an Boolean or algebra expressions. Like if you want to go for a text, so for a text value, so how you can use it, like for text value we will choose, like for this column we will choose a gender. Okay, so by using a gender you have go where, like you have to go to gender. After going to gender, click equal to, on a single inverted comma you have to go for a male, or you can go for a female. Like you have to insert it and you have to break it, like you have to stop it for by the using a semicolon. After that all the employees which are come, they are on the gender are male, like male. And if I change to this on F, so all the data which we have, it's going to for the female employees, like gender female. So guys, this is basically a simple video where you can use the where clauses in SQL. So guys, I hope this video helped you. If it did, please give us a like, and also please subscribe our channel for the more updates in SQL as well as more tutorials. So guys, if you have any questions, so please type on the comments and I will answer all of them. And guys, thanks for watching sir, and this is Yogesh tutorials. Thanks.